$360,000 in closed roofing jobs for a client of ours in just 52 days. What this video is going to be all about is a case study video showing you exactly how we were able to achieve that result so that you can see for yourself what's possible for your roofing business. So if we just hop straight into it, what we have here is a client lead tracker. So for every client that we have, we actually track every single lead and what the value was of each lead and where something stopped in the sales cycle. So if we just run through it here real quick, we have all the leads on the left-hand side. We have which leads picked up the phone, which ones did a site visit, which ones were quoted, which ones were sold, and by how much. So that's all the leads on the left there, but most importantly on the right here, these are the actual metrics of the business, and these are all the numbers that you need to know off by heart if you ever want to scale your trades-based business. So if I just zoom in here real quick, we have the total leads achieved over this period. We have the cost per lead, what we spend for every lead, how much we spend on advertising, what our lead to phone rate was, what our phone to site visit rate was, what our site visit to quote rate was, what the quote to sale rate was as well. What is the one revenue? How many jobs did we sell? What is our overall lead to close rate? What is the average client even worth to us? What is the ROI? So how much return on investment did we actually get? But most importantly of all, and the number that pretty much everyone overlooks, is what is our actual customer acquisition cost? So how much does it cost us in ads in order to actually acquire a customer? And here for us, $350 to land a $15,000 job. So not a bad overall return on investment. And what I'm going to walk you through now is the funnel, that what it actually looks like. And it's really straightforward. I'm not going to go into too much technical detail here, but I want to go through a general broad overview of how it works. So basically, we don't want to target people that have a roof leak because they're going to be on Google Ads already. They're already going to be looking at 100 different quotes. What I want to be doing instead is targeting them on Facebook. So we want to target people that have problems with their roof, or that they're aware that their roof might be a bit old and they need to get it fixed. So we run a very basic Facebook ads campaign, but it doesn't stop there, because running a Facebook ad campaign alone is not going to actually make money for your business. What is the systems behind it. So we have from there we have a landing page, a lead form, and we're giving out a free guide. I'm not going to say what that free guide is because it's proprietary property. But from there, we put them into our CRM system. So we actually track every single lead for the client to make sure we're actually making sales. From there, we have a follow-up phone call immediately. The faster you call the leads, the more money you'll make. It's quite straightforward. But from there, we actually have our emails, text messages, and nurture flows so that we're actually building value on the customer and not just trying to get money out of them as quickly as possible. Your customers can sense it and they're not going to buy from you if they can see that. So from there, we add them to our sales process. So I'm not going to go through every single part about the sales process, but the point is we have a sales process. We're not just calling these leads, booking a site visit as quickly as we possibly can and trying to get money out of them. We're actually nurturing them, building value first. So value first, money second. That's how we're actually nurturing these leads in order to actually make more income and close more jobs. We actually have a sales process. So that sales process is basically asking for actual intent, providing value, making sure they're actually interested and not just wasting our time. Because what you'll find is when you have the sales process and you're not actively looking for the intent behind the inquiry, you're just wasting your time, and that's how you're going to end up driving to lots of jobs and not get any jobs out of it. You need to actually have a sales process, confirm the intent. So once we've confirmed the intent, whether they're unqualified, qualified, or not interested, if they're not interested or unqualified, that's fine. We'll add them to our referral process so that we can get more leads for what we just paid for. From there, we have a warm-up page with case studies, free video content, video testimonials, as well as a video sales letter from the owner, so that again, we're building as much value as we possibly can. We have the set appointment, so we've booked in the site visit. The site visit is done, the design is approved, and they're happy with the proposal. From there, the job is sold. And throughout this entire process, on what you just saw before from the lead tracker sheet, we are actively tracking where in the sales process things are going wrong so that we can fix it as quickly as possible and we can get more leads and more sales using this very basic system by actually outlining where things are going wrong, where things need to be improved so that we can actually make as much money as possible for this roofing client. Now, if you own a roofing business and you want help building a system like this and being able to generate that much extra cash flow for your business, you can actually just click the link below this video in the description, book a call in with my team, and we can show you exactly how we can set up a system similar to this so that you can actually get more leads and more sales for your business on a monthly basis. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click that like and subscribe button below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.